Hi everybody, here's part 2 of it. I got in a little bit of trouble there, apparently the collection agency, they don't like me, so we gonna tape it around here. Alright, we gotta make sure the screen stay on, and we gotta pull it tight. Don't want that screen to go white again. Apparently that's bad for it. The screen to go white. If anybody could help me out, that'd be great. Just because I can't afford a phone. So I'm running out of duct tape too. Look at that. Looks like brand new. Now I just gotta get another piece of duct tape, and I gonna just wrap around the top, just to keep it secure. Even though my shitty ass phone don't want to stay secure, but still. Alright, here we go. Let's secure this mother hecker. Alright, there we go. It has been fixed. It is secure. Cool. Let's see. Look at that, my screen's back on. Who needs to pay BlackBerry $100 for a new phone, or pay $100 to fix their phone when you can tape it? See, it worked like new. Yeah, it worked like new. Gotta love mobility.